Hi, I'm Sandra Hawkins and I want to show you an if-else statement in Java. So I'm going to start off here and I'm going to declare a variable called age, so int age equals 20. So basically we're going to see if you're over 18 you're allowed, if you're not over 18 you're not allowed. So what we're going to have here, the syntax of the if statement is if and round brackets, and inside the round brackets goes your condition. So that must be a condition that equates to true or false. So I'm going to say if age is greater than or equals 18. So if you're 18 or over, then you're very welcome. Otherwise, you're not allowed in. So that condition there, if it's true, the statement that I have following the if will execute. If that condition is false, the statement I have will not execute. Now, curly brackets are optional. So without curly brackets, the first statement will be part of the if. So if you are 18 or over, I'm going to put welcome. So now I'm going to execute that. And we'll see there that age is 20, which is greater than or equal to 18, so you are welcome. If I change the age up here to 16, so age is now 16. Is 16 greater than or equals 18? No. So when I execute that program now, nothing is printed out, because the condition is false. So you can have an if statement on its own. If the condition is true, the statement that's part of it will execute. If the condition is false, you will not get that statement executing. So you can have an if statement on its own, or you can have it with an optional else. So the else, you can only have one else, and it must follow from an if. So now I'm going to put in another printout here. Printout. So if you're over 18, you're welcome. If not, you're too young. So the else statement will only execute if the condition is false. So the if else is known as a branching statement. One of these will execute. So a decision. It's not like a loop. It's not going to execute over and over again. Just one of them will execute, and it depends on if the condition that's there is true or false. So if I run that now, we have too young. So age is not greater than or equal to 18, it's 16. So it will go down to the else part. Now, curly brackets are optional. They're not needed in this case because there's only one statement as part of the if and only one statement as part of the else, but it is a good habit to put them in as well. So open and close around the if and the else, open, and after the statement as part of the else, close. So that is a very basic if-else statement. See the next example for a more advanced example.